Welcome to Dance with Oleg app. Today we would like to explain footwork in lock steps. It's going to be very similar for cha-cha and samba as well. That's two dances where we're using lock step. So what is a lock step? Lock step has a timing quick, 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 quick. And basically we're stepping forward, then we have a Latin cross position, and then we move out of it. And we would like to do it on the continuous lock step so you can see the actions. So let's do, for example, cha, 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 or quick, 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 quick. So first here, the secret is in your knee. If you bend your knee to the maximum, your foot will have chance to go from the heel to the ball to the toe. So bend your knee, focus, number one, focus on your knee action, feel that stretch between your legs. So see, as this knee moving, we're focusing on that very big bending, so our foot getting on very high toe, then you have that nice straightening. Number two, here, of course, we're not mentioning body weight, where you land split weight, then your spine continues. Like if we talk only about the feet, the back foot should drag on the floor in this beautiful turned out position. Never here, and try not to lift it. So from here, you want to drag it in until your inner thighs meet, and like it's feeling like your right leg hit your left leg. And by hitting it, it releases your front leg. And from here, very important, do not put your back heel down, keep it up, right? And get again into that very big stretch between your knees to take a next step. So drag your foot in for the Latin cross and then get out. Cha, 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 cha. So this is only a leg actions. Of course, we have a body actions as well. Let's just focus on one thing at a time. So leg action, focusing on the strong knee, bending the knee, then straightening cha. Then from here, as we continue, proceed with our body weight, drag your back foot on the inside edge of the toe, cha. Now keep your back leg heel up, straight your leg, get again into this position, 90-degree position, to go for the next leg step, cha. Collect, push away, cha. Collect, push away, collect, push away. Regarding body action, there is a few keywords I can give you. Keep your tummy flexible. Keep here flexible. You can touch yourself here. Make sure your tummy is flexible, and it's allow you to produce a little bit hip action on the back. Enjoy this secret, and later we'll do more drills and exercise on that subject.